Stop for a minute. Imagine how wonderful the experience would be if in just a few minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first ChatGPT-powered AI email marketing solution that writes emails for you and then design and deliver unlimited profit pulling emails directly to inbox for maximum traffic, clicks, and profits. Sounds like a huge life-changing opportunity, right? Look, the AI industry is booming right now. It has already started shaping the world in 2023 with its innovation and human independency. And now it's become the undisputed ruler of the online world. And emails are the most powerful, profitable, and low-cost marketing tool that gives you 10 times more returns than any other mode of digital marketing. And the famous quote says that money is in the list. So, if you have a powerful email marketing tool which will not only allow you to collect unlimited leads and send unlimited emails, but also creates engaging and high-quality emails for marketing, sales, promotions, and many more using just one keyword, then you have in your hands the ability to make profits on demand. Now, before moving ahead, let me show you how I got 20+ visitors in just 15 days on my affiliate offers using the power of emails. And let's check out the crazy open and click rates I got for a simple email I sent using MailGPT. Impressive, right? How would you feel if you could now do the same right from the comfort of your home with zero prior knowledge using the power of AI technology? Interested? I'm Pranchu along with my friend Chandra Prakashkal. We've been happily living the internet lifestyle for the last 10 years with full flexibility of working from anywhere at any time. With our experience, we've learned that to be successful online, you must get your hands on a foolproof system that works again and again and again. Without a doubt, that's email marketing. Email marketing is the key to getting new customers and creating deeper relationships with your existing customers at a fraction of the cost. It's fair to say that email marketing is the most effective way of digital marketing. That's a real deal, but here's the problem. You are not good at email writing, and it takes hours to write an engaging email to convert your audience into your customers. When you think of email marketing, you must choose from those infamous third-party email service providers who have their own quirky problems and have access to your valuable list, so data leak is also a big risk. It's almost impossible to import your subscriber list, and if you succeed, you still may lose 20–30% of your leads. You're stuck with many other customers of theirs who share the same resources, constant downtimes, spam complaints, bounces, and unexplained delays. It happens even when you don't do anything wrong. It's due to someone else's mistake. That's not all. They can shut down your account anytime without any prior notice, and you can lose your entire business overnight. They charge you anywhere from $100, $150 per month for just 10,000 subscribers, and you can only send limited emails to those limited subscribers for that price. Even after that, there's still no guarantee that you'll get the desired ROI from your campaigns as you expected. There are tons of areas where marketers can face challenges that we have faced in our journey before creating this masterpiece. Imagine if you have an ultimate groundbreaking and newbie-friendly software that creates converting emails in just a few seconds using Chat AI. Collect unlimited leads and send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without paying any monthly fees ever. Presenting MailGPT, world's first chat-powered AI email marketing solution that writes, design, and deliver unlimited profit pulling emails directly to inbox for maximum traffic, clicks, and opens. It's a futuristic AI software that lets you create and delivers emails straight to your inbox, boosts ROI, and will send all the money-sucking autoresponders back to their nest. Send your emails off into the digital world with confidence using Mail's powerful AI-powered technology. The best part, you don't need any installation, hosting, or technical skills. It's 100% newbie-friendly and cloud-based software. It has never been easier to create engaging email marketing campaigns using AI technique and drive higher opens, clicks, and conversions, but with MailGPT, it's easy and fast. Replace your old-school email marketing techniques with this cutting-edge ChatGPT AI-powered solution that powers your business in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, log in and enter a keyword. Log into your MailGPT account and just enter a desired keyword for which you want to create an email. Step 2, generate. MailGPT AI generates profitable, engaging, and High-quality email for you in seconds. Step 3, profit. Start profiting by sending emails. No email writing, no designer, no freelancer, no third-party app, no SMTP. It's easy, fast, and built with love. Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money with the old-school autoresponder tools. MailGPT is everything you need to start right away and scale it further. We have developed a fully chat-powered email marketing solution that uses advanced artificial intelligence to craft personalized, high-quality emails that get results. Our AI-driven platform makes it easy for you to create effective, automated campaigns in minutes without any coding required and takes your business and sales to new heights. And that will make you irreplaceable, unstoppable, unbeatable for sure. So, what are you waiting for? MailGPT is available for just a one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. You can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below. Lastly, I, Pranshu Gupta, along with my friend Chandra Prakash Kalwar, congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. Be the witness of your victory and achieve a success that will create history. The MailGPT team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.